Hi guys. So now I'm finally going to do the video that I've been wanting to do about this crystal right here necklace. I wasn't able to do it because I was very busy over the weekend. I got my materials, my cord, and my jump rings. And let's see, where did I leave those? More crystals that I got here. Let's see. The first one I did, it was actually... So the first one was actually too long, so I'm going to make this one a little bit shorter. So let's see. Maybe closer to a choker. Maybe right there. Forgot it. Alright. So we got that. Now I'm going to get my jump rings. Go ahead and open. Alright. Here, jump rings and the smaller one, which is an 8mm. So I'm going to go ahead and close it. I'm going to get my cord and put it through the loop. Oh, my light changed. Okay, so I'm putting the cord into the one of the sets of the... Was it 2 jump rings? Oh, it was 2 jump rings. So I'll add another one right now. And forgot to add another jump ring. Make that pretty tight. Tool to help me with this. Oh wait, I think I can do it. There we go. Then I need to add 2 sets. Okay, so this is how it looks like at first. Now I gotta separate these rings. I'm gonna need a tool to separate it. My kids are sleeping and I'm making all kinds of noise. Alright, so I got that jump ring on. Okay, so I've added the 2 jump rings. Maybe I should just go live. Maybe next time. Because the video keeps cutting me off. So I got this. Let's see. Separate it, pull it through so they can get stuck to each other. Locking, jumping. Alright, so I'm just adding the last set of jump rings. It's pretty easy. Alright, that's the last set. When I say separate, is pulling these apart, and then I gotta let them sit on the sides, then set these other small ones apart, and then pull the other two through the middle like that, so they get stuck. Alright, so here's the last jump ring. Let me get my crystal out because I'm technically done. And there you have it. That's how that's done. So I just need to put the crimp beads at the end. It's a little harder for me to ask my husband for help. I wasn't that strong enough to crimp these down. So I was able to crimp one, but not the other. Probably have my husband help me with that tomorrow. So that is the final result. It looks beautiful. Alright guys, hopefully you guys like this quote unquote mini video. Alright, bye.